Guys, so we've started cleaning our dorm and it's pretty messy. It's also Monday. We decided we're going to try and get as much done as we can in one day. But let me show you the hooligans that Stephanie's cleaning her closet right now, and let me just show you. She said, I'm a cowboy, and I turned around and I don't even know.
It wasn't good.
She put my name with yellow hearts. I said she was a work of art. I didn't listen very hard when she told me she was crazy from the start. I drive down open road so slow. Here comes the train, I'll let it go.
Hello. It is now moving day 2.
Okay guys, so this is the state of our room. It's as you can see, let me flip the camera for you. All of this stuff is going to Florida with us. It seems like a lot, but it's not really that much of our dorm. And then this stuff is staying here, and then those boxes over there are staying here. And we just have a lot of crap, don't we?
We're not even halfway done.
And this is our second trip. So yeah.
And we have to get all of this out by today because tomorrow we're gonna have to like deep clean our room
And take finals. So, hello, it is day 3 of moving out, and we have like one more load of stuff to get in the dorm, and then we have to clean until like 4 when we officially move out. But we stopped to get Waffle House because we're hangry. Stephanie just took her final, and I still have to take mine, and I have until midnight. So, I'll show you the room when we get back there.
Hey guys, so we are almost out of our dorm. My dorm is very bare.
It's really echoey in here. Look, let me go to the bathroom so you can hear the echo. Ready? That was beautiful.
No one needs Anyways, we're about to get it checked for the last time, and then we're saying goodbye to Stevens because we will not be in
Stevens 309. Stephanie's been in here for 2 years.
I've been in here for 2 years, so this room is very special to me, but we needed to be in a bigger place, so we would be living in Cersei 301, I think.
You know what? It doesn't matter because you can't get in there anyways.
So,
And anyways, we had to unbunk our beds and everything. I'll kind of show you what it looks like now.
What do they really mean? Only been playing games. She put my name with yellow hearts. Her favorite color like the stars. I didn't listen very hard when she told me she was crazy from the start. She put my name with yellow hearts. I said she was
Okay, hey guys, we're on the road now. Homebound. I don't know how. Who?
My cat.
Oh, I don't know how long of a drive we have today. We haven't.
10 hours. We have 6 hours tomorrow, and I don't know exactly how long it takes to get.
I think it's 14. Or 16.
Maybe. I think we're driving 10 hours today. We have to go get a car wash for Karen.
Karen's her car.
Because the windshield is like super dirty. Yeah.
I tried to clean it when we were in Texas, and
It's distracting how dirty it is. Like I can't focus on the road. I have to focus on the section. So
we're stopping in Alabama tonight.
we're stopping. If you watched our previous video, we stopped in Dock in Alabama. We're stopping there again, just at a different hotel than the last time. Also, Bella scratched my arm, so
It was bleeding. We put the dogs in the car to say goodbye.
yeah.
And we're gonna miss them so much.
I can do everything like just right, and as I roll along, begin to find things aren't always just the way they seem. I want to turn the things as upside down. I'll find the things that say just can't be found. I'll share this love I find with everyone. I'll sing and dance.
Guys, we're in Mississippi at a Circle K gas station. We just stopped to the bathroom, but we're only like 2.5 hours in. We still have like 6 more hours, I think.
Girl, I don't even know. We're 2 hours and 23 minutes into our trip. Should be.
I don't want this feeling to go away. Please don't go away. Is that supposed to be? When all the tears are rolling down your face, and it feels like yours was the only heart to break, when you come back home and all the
So guys, we made it to the hotel like 20 minutes ago, and now we're eating Panera and watching TV, and that's all for today. Hey guys, so it's day 2 on the road, and we have about a 5.5 hour drive today to get home with my parents. Are we going to Dunkin'? So we're getting on the road right now.
I'll be there, yeah, I'll be there for you. I'll be there, yeah, I'll be there for you. Oh, I swear, yeah, I got enough love for two. You'll never be alone, I'll be there for you. It's Friday night and the drink don't work the same. You're alone with yourself and there's no one else to blame. You still can't feel the rhythm of your heart. You see your spirit fading in the dark.
Hey guys, so we made it. It's actually the next day. We got home at like around 4 yesterday, and then we just unpacked and watched Netflix. That was really it. And so I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to continue to be a part of our chaotic lives, definitely subscribe, like, comment, you do you, and we'll be back with another video soon.